Hello students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine. Today we will learn how we can find factors of numbers. Okay, on last day we have learned multiples, properties of multiples, finding multiples and common multiples. Okay, and we have also learned that factors, properties of factors and finding factors from using multiplication, using division and rainbow method. Let's revise one time and we will solve also some questions of exercise 5.3. So we have to firstly we have to know that what is factors. You know that when two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called their product. You know that when two or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called their product. Each of the numbers being multiplied is called a factor of the product. That means both number that is multiplied is called a factor of the product. As like, let's suppose two numbers, we multiply 3 from 7. 3 multiply 7 equal 21 and 3 and 7 are factors of 21 and 21 is the product of 3 and 7. Hence we can say that 3 and 7 are factor of 21. Okay, and there are some properties of factor. What are these? Let's see. Firstly, 1 is the factor of all numbers. If there is any number that is prime or composite, first is the factor for all numbers. That means fact is the common factor for all number, or first is the smallest common factor for all numbers. Second, 1 is the smallest factor of a number. That is saying 1 is the smallest factor of a number. You know that 1 is the factor of all numbers, but also 1 is the smallest factor of a number. Okay, and a number is a factor of itself. If there is any number, then the number itself will be a factor of this number. Okay, a number itself is the greater factor of itself. That means a number itself is the greatest factor of itself. That means if there is given any number, that the greatest factor, the number itself will be. Okay, and next property is the factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. The next property is the factor of a number is smaller than or equal to the number. Every number except 1 has at least two factors, that is 1 and itself. That means every number except 1 has minimum least two factors, that this is 1 and itself. Okay, now how we can find factors? Finding factors using multiplication, okay, and using division and rainbow method. When using multiplication, you can use multiplication to find the factors of a number. If you want to find the factors of a number, then you have to use multiplication method for this. Firstly, you have to express 18 as a product of two factors. That means you can express 18 as a product of two factors. That means 1 multiply 18 equal 18, 2 multiply 9 equal 18, 3 multiply 6 equal 18 and 4 multiply nothing, because 4 is not exactly divided by 18 is not exactly divisible by 4. To do so, start with the number 1. You have to start with the number 1 and then 2 and continue finding other factors in serial order. And continue finding other factors in serial order. You will see that there is no number that on multiplying by 4 or gives 18. So neither 4 nor 5 is a factor of 18. You stop at 5 as you have already found 6 to be a factor of 18. Let's learn one time again. You can express 18 as a product of two factors. To do so, start with the number 1 and then 2 and continue finding other factors in serial order. You will see that there is no number that on multiplying by 4 or 5 gives 18. So neither 4 nor 5 is a factor of 18. You stop at 5 as you have already found 6 to be a factor of 18. And next, 1 multiply 18 equal 18 and 2 multiply 9 equal 18 and 3 multiply 6 equal 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18. Okay, and we can't multiply, and we have no factors in the form of 4. In other words, we can say that 18 is not divisible by 4. Okay, now finding factors using division. How we can find factors using division? You have to find the factors of 24. Okay, you have to find the factors of 24. So firstly you have to divide 1 from 24 from 1. It will be exactly divided and there will be no remainder. And now, so there will be 1 is the factor of 24. Now we have to divide 24 from 2. It will be also exactly divisible 12 times and there is no remainder. So 2 is the factor of 24. Now we have to divide 24 from 3. That will be divisible 8 times, that is 3 8 are 24 and the remainder will be 0. So 3 is the factor of 24. Hence, when we divide 4 from, there will be remainder 0. When we divide 24 from 5, the remainder will be 4. So the numbers which are exactly divisible by 1, 2, 3, which numbers exactly divide 24, that's are factor of 24. As like the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. In other words, you can say that when a number is divisible by another number exactly without leaving a remainder, the divisor and the quotient are said to be the factors of the dividend. When a number is divisible by another number exactly without leaving a remainder, the divisor and the quotient are said to be the factors of the dividend. Okay. Now next method is rainbow method. What is rainbow method? Let's see and let's learn. Another method you can use to find the factors of a number is the rainbow method. Let us draw a rainbow to find the factors of a number 24. Say 24. In first step, you have to make a curved line as shown. Write at one end as 1 is a factor of every number, and write 24 at the other end as the number itself is also a factor. 1 multiply 24 equal 24. In step 2, make another curved line. Check if 2 is a factor of 24. So 2 multiply 12 equal 24. Yes, it is. So write 2 at one end and 12 at another end. Repeat this step with the next number 3, 4 and so on. That will be 3 multiply 8 24. 4 multiply 6 equal 24. And we have also find it that 5 is not a factor of 24 as 6 is already in the rainbow. Stop here. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Okay. Now come on exercise 5.3. The numbers in column A and C are the factors of the numbers in column B. Match and then colored in the same color. That is, the number is column. The numbers A and C are the factors of the number in column B. So 11 and 7 are the factors of 77. Okay. Now their next number is 38. So 2 and 19 will be factor of 38. So we match from 2 and 19 from 38, and the next number is 39. Of 39 there will be two factors, that is 3 and 13. So we will match from 3 from 39 and 13 also from 39, and we have to color with the same color. Okay, that is colored with number 3. Now there is 85 and the factors of 85 are 5 and 17. So we will match from 85 from 5 and 17 from 85, and also we will color with the same color, that is colored with number 5. Okay, so next question is you have to find the factors using multiplication of 16, 21, 35, 36, 23. Common exercise 5.3. We have learned that we have to match 77 from 11 and 7, because 11 and 7 are the factors of 77, and also we will color with the same color, that is colored of number 11. 38, the factors of 38 will be 2 and 19, hence the factor of 39 will be 3 and 13, and the factor of 85 will be 5 and 17. Now question B, find factors using multiplication. You have to find factors using multiplication. That's are given 16. We will write 16. 1 multiply 16 equals 16. 2 multiply 8 equals 16. And 16 is not divisible by 3. And after that we will write 4 multiply 4 equals 16. So the factors of 16 will be 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay. Now next number is 21. 1 multiply 21 equal 21. And next is 1 is, you know that 1 is the smallest factor. 1 is the common factor for all numbers. Hence 1 will be factor of 21, and so 1 multiply 21 equal 21, and the next one is 2. 21 is not divisible by 2, hence we have to multiply 3 from 7, that is 3 multiply 7 equal 21, and now there is no number that can be divided 21, so the factors of 21 will be 1, 3, 7, 21. Okay. Now next question is 35. We have to find the factors of 35. If we write 35 in multiplication form, there will be 1 multiply 35 equal 35. Now 5 multiply 7 equal 35. Okay. So the factors of 35 will be 1, 5, 7 and 35. And now 36. From using multiplication method we can write 1 multiply 36 equal 36, 2 multiply 18 equal 36, 3 multiply 12 equal 36, 4 multiply 9 equal 36, and now 6 multiply 6 equal 36, and now 12 multiply 2 equal 36. 12 multiply 3 equal 26, and now 18 multiply 2 equal 36. So the factor of 36 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 18. Okay. Now next number is 23. The factors of 23 will be 1 multiply 23, that is 1 multiply 23, and the factors of 23 will be 1 and 23. Okay. And the next number is 81. When we write in multiplication form, there will be 1 multiply 81 equal 81, and another factor for it will be 9 multiply 9 equal 81. Hence the factor of 81 will be 1, 9 and 81. Okay. Now next, find factors using division. You have to find factors using division. there is number 18. We have to find factors using division. Question C, find factors using division. There is number 18. We have to find the factor of 18. When we divide 1 from 18, there will be, that is exactly divisible by 1, because and also 1 is the common factor for all numbers, and 18 is exactly divisible by 2, 18 is exactly divisible by 3, and 18 is exactly divisible by 6, and 18 is exactly divisible by 9. Okay, so there will be factor of 18 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay, so factors of 18 will be these. And now next number is 25. We know that the smallest common factor for all numbers is 1. So 1 is the first factor of 25, and after that the 25 is exactly divisible by 5. So 5 will be the next factor, and after that the 25 itself will be the next factor. So the factors of 25 will be 1, 5 and 25. And the next number is 39. And the number 39 is exactly divisible by 1, because 1 is the common factor for all numbers, and 39 is also divisible by 3, and after that the 39 will be divisible by 13. Okay, so 1, 3, 13 and 39 will be the factor of 39. Next number is 42. We know that 42 is divisible by 1, because 1 is the common factor for all numbers, and 42 is exactly divisible by 2, so 2 will be also the factor of 42, and after that 3 will be also the factor of 42, and 4 is not factor of 42, because when we divide 42 from 4, there will be 2 remainder, so 4 is not factor of 42, and the next factor of 42 will be 6, 7, and after that 14, and after that 21. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 are the 42 are the factors of 42. Now next number is 56. The factors of 56 will be 1, 2, 4. Okay, 6 is the not factor of 56, because when we divide 56 from 6, there will be remainder 2, and 7 is factor of 56. When we divide 56 from 7, there will be 8 quotient. So a 7, 8, and after that 14, and after that 21, and after that 56. So 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14 and 28 are the factor of 56. And the next one is 93. What will be the factor of 93? The factor of 93 will be 1, because 1 is the smallest factor for all numbers, hence 1 is the factor of 93. And the next one will be 3, because when we divide 93 from 3, there will be 31 quotient. So 31 is also factor of 93. So there will be 1, 3 and 31 will be the factor of 93. You have to write exercise ABC in your CW copy. Thank you.